Heto na ang pinakahihintay natin guys, ang Street Dance Parade ng Zamboanga Festival 2025. At talaga namang ang dami nang nagdo-document na katulad ko na nagvi-video dito sa Street Parade na to. And guys, this time, yung 7 barangays, lahat sila ay magpe-present na. Not unlike last year kasi guys, they represent or they perform per cluster. Yun po yung natatandaan natin. So, binalik po sa dati yung presentation per barangay na po. Kaya, mas exciting po ang bawat aabangang street dancing na i-cater ng bawat barangay. Actually, na-late na po kami dyan guys, no? Hindi ko alam kung pang ilan na yun sa mga pinanood ko. Pero still, we're able to catch up with this presentation na ginawa ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Santo Tomas. So, let's watch them guys! Wait lang, sandali lang guys. Ayan guys, medyo nahihirapan tayo sa pag-capture ng video. As in, nakataas na ang kamay ko dyan kaka-video sa ating mga sumasayaw. And of course, talagang we did our best to get the presentation of them. Pero ayan lang po yung nakayanan natin. And I believe meron namang mga nakapag-video talaga ng maayos, no? Pero later on, medyo mag-a-adjust yung ating video kasi nga nakapag-provide ng upuan. Salamat sa kasama ko. Binigyan niya akong upuan guys para ma-video natin na maayos yung ating mga sumasayaw. And as you could see, I think this is Barangay San Matias guys. And look at their faces. I really love when they do the presentation kasi ang ganda ng kanilang projection. Projection is very important when it comes to dance presentation. Ang galing guys, no? So, nakaka-inspire silang panoorin at nakakaaliw tingnan with their colorful costumes that are creatively done guys, no? Talagang alam ko pinaghirapan nila to, pinag-isipang mabuti how will they be making their designs and paano yung way of presentation nila. So you see guys, ang dami naming vlogger. Ang daming mga cellphone na nagsisisulputan sa aking video kasi nga po, nakatayo lang ako dyan guys kasi super taas ng kamay ko dyan. And I appreciate naman natin guys. You see, ang ganda tingnan with their headdresses, no? Napakaganda at uniform yung kanilang pagsasayaw guys. And congratulations sa Barangay San Matias, nanalo sila ng second place sa street dancing guys. And mind you guys, first place sila sa free interpretation. Wow, that's so great of you, Barangay San Matias. Congratulations. You really did a job well done with this craft that you made for Zamboanga Festival 2025. Tunay ngang masaya ang Zamboanga 2025 dahil tignan mo naman ang crowd or tignan ninyo ang crowd guys. Ang dami naming nanonood at excited lahat kami na abangan ang susunod na barangay na magpe-present. At dahil abangers lahat kami guys, syempre wala kaming choice kundi ang maghintay. Minsan nga ang mga crowd parang gusto na rin nilang pumunta sa gitna para lang pag-capture ng maayos na video. And as you could see, no, talagang kahit mainit sa daan guys, look at the crowd there. Talagang tiniis nila ang init just to watch this wonderful street dance parade na iniaalay natin sa ating mahal na inang si Mama Mary. Dahil ang Zamboanga, ulitin natin, pag-trivia tayo, it came from Kapampangan words, salbag and sabwag. Kaya tinawag natin Zamboanga Festival. We're showering flowers to Mama Mary as a way of appreciating the love of our mother to her son, Jesus Christ. A way of glorifying Easter Sunday. Diba guys, isn't it so nice to have something to look forward every Easter Sunday? Meron tayong inaabangan sa daan na pinapanood. This is something na nakaka-add ng beauty at syempre ng saya sa bayan ng Santo Tomas. Again, we are grateful for the people behind this work, no? Yung mga nag-organize po dito sa Zamboanga Festival. Us being the viewers, syempre na-appreciate po namin ang inyong mga effort guys. Approaching is the float of our Mayor, John Sambo, no? So he's greeting the Tomasians. So nagpapasalamat po siya sa ating mga Tomasians na tumatangkilik syempre dito sa Zamboanga Festival. So as you could see, napaka-active po ng ating mga LGUs and supporting this type of event, not only the LGUs guys, but also yung ating Paris Church. Siyempre, malaki din ang kanilang contribution dito sa ating Sabuaga Festival. And with that, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Next to present guys is Barangay Santo Niño, Sapa, Santo Tomas. Talagang nasa-challenge ako guys. Tingnan mo naman, no? Pagkahirap-hirap makakuha ng video dahil ang daming cellphone na sa harapan ko. Yes guys, talagang hindi pa tayo nakatuntong dyan sa upuan, kaya ganyan na muna ang nakuha nating video capture dito sa barangay Sapa, Santo Niño. Ang maganda naman dyan dito sa barangay natin na Sapa, no? Yan, ibinibida natin sa barangay natin dyan ang clay pot, yung mga paggawa ng mga paso. And not only that, meron tayong resort dyan, yung Mula de Victoria, and lots of, things that we could be amazed of this barangay, because this barangay, even though makikita natin na small, but they are really prepared to give their best guys para maipanalo ang Sabuaga Festival 2025. Yun nga lang po, as we could see, sa competition, hindi naman araw-araw ay Pasko, but still, we're grateful with the presentations done by this barangay. And with that, congratulations Barangay Sapa, Santo Niño. Talagang guys, napakaganda rin naman ang kanilang costume. Talagang gustong-gusto ko yung kulay orange na yan. Talagang alive, napaka-warm ng colors na yan. At talagang hindi mo pwedeng hindi mapansin yung flowers sa kanilang headdress guys. Look at that. Napakaganda. At syempre, part of watching is thinking also, ano kaya yung magiging result. Actually guys, after this street dancing nila, meron silang final presentation na gagawin, no? Ginawa na nila kahapon actually, because ngayon ko palang in-edit tong vlog ko doon sa patio ng ating simbahan sa Santo Tomas. So, this is only one part of the competition, yung street dancing guys. Hindi rin naman biro ang magsayaw sa daan wearing those costumes, kaya malaking pagsaludo sa lahat ng mga street dancers natin sa Sabuaga Festival 2025. You are indeed awesome and great with the performance that you have made yesterday. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga street dancers natin, and we really admire your dedication and your way of contributing to your respective barangays just to give joy for this Easter Sunday na inaabangan lahat ng madlang people. You see guys? Yes guys, at kahapon talaga hindi natin maiwasan, meron ding mga medyo nahimatay talaga sila, but thankfully they were able to regain their strength and be able to join the dance again. So syempre dahil sobrang init, talagang summer na summer ang feels, mainit, is April ba naman, no? But with that sacrifice of theirs, no? Yung pagsuot pa lang ng costume, talagang malaking challenge na sa kanila yan. O yung magsayaw pa kaya sila, dahil ilang kimot or ilang galaw lang, talagang pagpapawisan sila. Thank you Barangay Sapa with your dance presentation. So ano kaya ang susunod guys? Tignan natin guys. Next in line is Barangay San Vicente. Siyempre, headdress pa lang, alam na natin Barangay San Vicente yan, no? So they are really creatively done also. At lagi ko lang napapansin, no, pag sa Barangay San Vicente, most of their costumes laging puti. Am I right? If I could recall, nung Sabuaga 2023, kulay puti rin ang kanilang costume. At bagay na bagay din naman sa kanila ang pagsuot ng kulay puti. And mind you guys, this barangay had already catered its record when it comes to Sabuaga Festival. Talagang ginagalingan bawat taon at talagang inaabangan ano nga ba ang bagong pasabog ng Barangay San Vicente. Let's watch them guys! Totoong maganda mga headdress nila guys dahil sila po yung nanalo ng Best in Headdress. Talagang na-amaze ako sa headdress nila. Just like the judges, no, they were able to see how their headdress had really made a huge impact with how they are making their performance na. Malaki din bagay kasi yung headdress when it comes to festivals like this. So, part ng judging yan na kailangang ginajudge din yung suot, yung costume, plus a partiyapol. What I mean is, naka-separate din yung criteria nila for judging the headdress, guys. Congratulations, Barangay San Vicente, Best in Headdress. Don't worry guys, you really did a great job. Syempre, ina-acknowledge din natin yung mga choreographers nila na talagang nagpagod din para maturuan ang ating mga dancers. Congratulations po sa mga choreographers ng bawat barangay dito sa ating Sambuanga Festival 2025.